Hi ladies. If you need to go back and review this video, just come to this first page and click here. Today we're starting a new discipline of science that we haven't studied yet this year. We are now working on chemistry. This is your homework. We'll get back to it in a minute. So first, what is the difference between physical and chemical change? In the beginning of the year, we discussed observations. We did observations, qualitative versus quantitative, and we did inferences. If you remember, observations are when you gather information using your five senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. So physical properties are characteristics of a substance that can be observed without changing it into a new substance. So here are a list of properties that are physical properties: color, shape, size, mass, density, volume, state of matter, and melting point. So for instance, I have these glass bottles. If I tint the bottle green, it doesn't change the fact that it's a glass bottle. The color changed, but it's still a glass bottle. I can change the size. It's still a glass bottle. I can change the shape. It is still a glass bottle, right? The mass of the glass will be the same. Remember we did mass, density, and volume with the graduated cylinders and the triple beam balances. So you might remember that. State of matter is a physical property. Whether it is a solid, liquid, gas, or in a plasma state, it is a physical property. I can melt this glass. Is it still glass? Yup. The melting point of glass will stay the same. So I can change the color, the shape, and size. I can melt it. It is still glass. Those are physical properties. No matter what I do to it, it stays the same. I'm not getting a new substance. Chemical properties, however, are observed when a new substance is formed. And usually indicators that of a chemical property would be these here. Fire is an indicator of a chemical property. Smoke, rust, something that reacts with light. If you see bubbling or fizzing, a color change, and odor, chemical properties. So here's something of fire, sorry. You can see some bubbling and fizzing, and smoke, all chemical properties. So what I'm going to have you do for homework, I really want you to just take the time and watch these short videos. One is very short, about 15 seconds, and this video here. And then I want you to make a prediction and explain your thinking. This is a short lesson, so I expect this to be done by everyone. Explain your thinking in the space below. Which one is physical change? Which one is chemical change? I know we didn't talk about physical and chemical change yet, but I want you to make a prediction and explain why you think that. Okay? All right. Have a good day, ladies.